Hey, are you looking for vacation homes in Florida that offers cash assistance? Today, I'd like to stick around as we explore some of the best options available and show you how to make your dream of owning a vacation home a reality. Hello everyone, this is Ken, Sales Assistant and Transaction Coordinator at Realty, and welcome to another series of our new construction communities. And today, let's dive in some of the new construction vacation homes in Florida, and we're going to talk about their community, features, as well as their incentives. If you want to learn more, please watch this video. And for our first community, welcome to Solara Resort. Solara's collection of resort-style vacation townhomes and single-family plans offers short-term renters a chance to own part of the magic. Each home in this perfectly appointed community includes a private swimming pool for all of your guests with spacious living spaces and stylish exteriors. Solara is ideally located off US 192 with proximity to both 124 and US 27. Here, you're surrounded by world-class theme parks like Walt Disney World Resort, premier shopping, dining, and a short commute to downtown Orlando's popular entertainment such as Universal Studios and SeaWorld Orlando, as well as nightlife and employment opportunities. Within Solara Resort's gated community, you have exclusive access to an on-site restaurant and coffee bar, a zero-entry pool bar, fitness center, basketball court, soccer field, volleyball court, gaming stations, sports simulator, yoga lawn, children's playground, splash pad, water slides, a flow rider, and more. Experience the ultimate in resort-style living at Solara, where every day feels like a vacation. Make your dream of owning a piece of the magic come true and enjoy unparalleled amenities and a prime location close to everything Orlando has to offer, where luxury, convenience, and adventure await. If you are interested with this vacation home community, Solara Resort is under the builder of Matami Homes. It is currently located at Kissimmee, Florida with zip code 34747, and right now they have 23 quick move-in homes. It has a starting price of around $545,000 for townhomes, $665,000 for single-family homes with 2,200 to 4,300 square feet that features 4 to 9 bedrooms, 4 to 6 bathrooms, a 2-story houses, as well as 1 to 2 car garage. So what do the homes of Solara Resort looks like? So here are some of the list. It has a granite kitchen and bathroom countertops, a Whirlpool self-cleaning range, built-in microwave, refrigerator and dishwasher in stainless steel, an Ecobee smart programmable thermostat with a built-in Amazon Alexa voice service, an insulated low-E double-pane vinyl windows. It also has a R30 ceiling and R11 in exterior framed walls, R4.1 insulation on exterior black walls. It also has a knockdown ceilings and orange peel finish walls, a professionally engineered roof trusses, and professionally designed landscaping package including fully sodded yard. And for their incentives, right now they can offer $40,000, in which can be applied to the sales price and closing cost when using their preferred lender. And for the second community, welcome to Reunion Village, where luxury meets convenience in the heart of Central Florida. Ideally located off 124 in the Reunion area near Champions Gate, this magnificent community is only minutes from world-renowned theme parks like Walt Disney World Resort, Universal Studios Florida, and SeaWorld Orlando. Living here will feel like an endless vacation. Best of all, Residents of Reunion Village are presented with exclusive access to resort amenities such as a 10-acre water park, sports courts, an arcade, a fitness center, a swimming pool, and much more. In addition to these fantastic amenities, you'll find yourself just a short drive away from premier shopping and dining at Disney Springs and the Orlando Vineland Premium Outlets. Everyday essentials are also within easy reach with grocery stores and pharmacies located just a few minutes away. Whether you're relaxing at home or exploring the vibrant surroundings, Reunion Village offers the perfect blend of luxury and convenience. Discover the exceptional lifestyle that awaits you in this exclusive community and make every day extraordinary. If you're interested with this community, Reunion Village is under the builder of LGI Homes. It is currently located at Kissimmee, Florida with zip code 34747, and right now they have 14 move-in ready homes. It has a starting price of around $390,000 that features 1,500 to 2,200 square feet. It have 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2 to 3.5 bathrooms, a 1 to 2 stories houses, as well as 2-car garage. And for their incentives, right now they can offer $25,000 towards the closing cost. And for our last community, welcome to Elevated at Sonoma Resort, an exquisite community where luxury living meets prime convenience. Nestled in the heart of Central Florida, Elevated at Sonoma Resort offers beautifully designed homes with modern amenities and unparalleled access to the best attractions and services the region has to offer. Experience the pinnacle of resort-style living at Elevated at Sonoma Resort. Residents can enjoy access to a luxurious clubhouse, a state-of-the-art fitness center, a resort-style swimming pool, sports courts, children's play areas, and scenic walking trails. Every day feels like a vacation when you live at this community. Conveniently located, Elevated at Sonoma Resort is approximately 10 miles from Walt Disney World Resort, 14 miles from Universal Studios Florida, and just 3 miles from the Loop Shopping Center. Orlando International Airport is also within a 16-mile drive, making travel easy and accessible. Discover the ultimate in luxury and convenience at Elevated at Sonoma Resort. Whether you're enjoying the comfort of your elegant home or exploring the nearby world-class attractions, Elevated at Sonoma Resort offers an exceptional lifestyle tailored to your needs. If you're interested with this community, Elevated at Sonoma Resort is under the builder of Park Square Homes. It is currently located at Kissimmee, Florida with zip code 34741. And right now, they are still under construction, but they are releasing 103 homes before the year of 2025. So watch out for this. Elevated Sonoma Resort has a starting price of around $970,000 that features 3,300 to 6,300 square feet. It have 8 to 15 bedrooms, 8 to 16 bathrooms, a 2 to 3 car garage, and 2 stories houses. So what are the included features of this community? So here are some of the list. It has a quartz bathroom and kitchen countertops, a ceramic tile flooring and all wet areas, foyer and great room, a stainless steel appliances which includes range, microwave, a dishwasher and refrigerator, a programmable thermostat, 15.2 SER2 heat pump, an air conditioning system, and blown R30 ceiling insulation, a Foxwood horizontal blinds for windows, and of course, professionally designed landscaping package. And for their incentives, since this community is still under construction, we will post an update soon on our website. And that's it for this video. The 3 new construction vacation home communities in Florida. So what do you think of this list? First, you can go on our website, that's pkrbuyersnetwork.com. And as you scroll down, you will see the See More New Construction Property Listings. Just click on that, then you will see all of the communities that I have featured so far, from Florida and also in Georgia. And second is by calling me in my number, that's 321-329-8720. Again, that's 321-329-8720. Contact us today and let's start getting your new investment home. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the subscribe button for you to get the latest updates about our new construction communities in Florida and Georgia. I hope to see you again for the next one.